The Yucca Cane is one of the most resilient, architectural, and beautiful desert giants you can grow in your living room. In our greenhouse, these trees are legendary because they can thrive on neglect and survive weeks without a single drop of water. But in a home environment, a silent killer often strikes. Indoor growers treat them like tropical plants, watering them too often, until the leaves turn yellow or brown, the foliage starts drooping, and the hard, woody trunk becomes soft, mushy, and hollow. If your yucca is showing any of these scary symptoms, do not panic. Today, I am going to share the top 3 greenhouse secrets we use to diagnose yucca problems instantly. Keep trunks rock solid and save a rotting tree, even if you think it's completely dead. Let's start with the most dangerous symptom, a soft, spongy trunk. Because yucca trees store all their water inside their thick canes, root rot travels upward from the soil inside the wood, completely invisible from the outside. To catch this early, you must physically squeeze the bottom of the trunk with your fingers every single month. If it feels hard like stone, your tree is safe. But if it feels soft, or if the bark is peeling away, the inside of that cane is already rotting from overwatering. In our nursery, if we catch a soft trunk, we immediately stop watering and take the plant out of its pot. If the rot is only at the base, you can actually use a clean, sterilized saw to cut the top, healthy, hard part of the cane. Let it dry for 2 days to callus, and repot it in fresh soil. It will grow brand new roots, saving your beloved tree from the trash can. The second major issue is droopy, floppy leaves. Healthy yucca leaves should stand stiff and point upward like swords. If your plant's leaves are bending downward and losing their firmness, it is a direct sign of light starvation. Yucca plants are native to the hot, arid deserts of Mexico and the southwestern United States, meaning they are biologically wired for intense, direct sunlight. When placed in a dim corner of a living room, their metabolism drops to 0. In a dark room, the plant stops drinking, which keeps the soil wet for weeks and instantly triggers root rot. To fix droopy leaves at home, your yucca must be placed right against your brightest south or west-facing window. Give it the desert light it craves, and the new growth will emerge stiff and strong. Now let's decode yellow and brown leaves. The golden rule of yucca care is very simple. When in doubt, do not water. It is almost impossible to kill a yucca from underwatering, but 1 extra cup of water can destroy it. In our greenhouse, we let the soil dry out 100%, all the way to the bottom of the pot before we even think about watering. At home, use a long wooden stick or a moisture meter to check the very bottom of the pot. If there is even a hint of moisture, walk away. When it is finally bone dry, drench it heavily until water runs out of the drainage holes. But remember, your soil mix must be desert-like. We use 50% regular potting soil, mixed with 50% coarse sand, pumice, and perlite. If your soil retains water like a wet sponge, your yucca is on a countdown to decay. Here is a bonus greenhouse tip for yellow and brown lower leaves. As a yucca tree grows taller from the top, it naturally sheds its lowest leaves to form its woody trunk over time. This is a completely normal aging process. When these bottom leaves turn yellow or brown, take a clean pair of scissors and trim them away. But here is the secret. Do not rip them off forcefully, as this can tear the delicate bark of the trunk and open up entry wounds for pests. Cut them clean at the base. This keeps your tree looking neat and prevents any pests or fungus from hiding inside the dead foliage. Squeeze the bottom of that trunk today, move it to the brightest window in your house, and switch to a desert-style watering schedule. Do these 3 greenhouse steps, and your yucca tree will stand strong and beautiful for decades. Is your yucca's trunk soft or firm right now? Drop a comment below and I will help you save it. If this nursery guide helped your indoor desert, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more real greenhouse secrets. See you in the next guide.